nestled within the vibrant landscape of the Valley of Flowers in Ekta Nagar, where nature reveals its beauty in countless forms, lies a truly fascinating botanical attraction. The Cactus Garden. Spread across 7 acres, this unique garden invites visitors to explore one of the most remarkable collections of desert plants from around the world. At the heart of the garden stands an impressive cactus dome, thoughtfully designed to recreate the natural habitat of these resilient plants. Inside this beautiful structured dome, every section tells a story of survival, adaptation, and nature's extraordinary creativity. The dome is carefully arranged into different sections, each showcasing a distinct category of desert flora. The outer circle features a variety of succulent plants, known for their remarkable ability to store water and thrive in extreme climates. Moving inward, the middle circle displays an impressive range of cactus species, highlighting the diversity of these extraordinary desert plants. The next section presents several grafted and exotic cactus varieties, admired for their striking forms and vibrant colors. Specially designed viewpoints within the dome also allow visitors to capture memorable photographs amid the fascinating geometric shapes of these plants.
कैक्टस गार्डन हमने आज पहली बार यहाँ पे आए हैं एंड इसका सारा बहुत ही बढ़िया इंतजाम कर रखा है और इतनी वैरायटी जो है और कहीं देखने को नहीं मिली। हम कई कंट्री का दौरा किया है पर उसमें इससे बढ़िया कैक्टस गार्डन कहीं नहीं मिला और हम चाहेंगे कि जो लोग चर्च ऑफ यूनिटी आए तो यहाँ पे ज़रूर विजिट करें।
What makes this garden truly extraordinary is its remarkable botanical collection. The Cactus Garden is home to 548 cactus species and 364 succulent species, bringing the total number of species to 912. Altogether, the garden nurtures over 24,782 plants, making it one of the most unique and diverse cactus collections in the region. From the tiny star-shaped succulent to towering cactus forms, each plant reflects nature's incredible ability to adapt and survive in some of the harshest environments on the earth. The garden stands as a living example of biodiversity, conservation, and the wonders of desert flora. Visitors can explore this fascinating world of desert plants with the Cactus and Butterfly Garden entry ticket, making it an engaging and educational experience for families, students, and nature lovers visiting Ekta Nagar. The Cactus Garden of Ekta Nagar is more than just a botanical display. It is a living celebration of resilience, diversity, and nature's remarkable ability to thrive against all odds. A truly unique attraction within the tourism landscape of Statue of Unity.